Hello world. I am Don John. Currently, I am working as an overseas Filipino worker here in Japan. Today, I want to share my investment confession on how I grow my 10,000 pesos to more than 50,000 pesos in less than 6 months. As an OFW, we wanted to grow our hard-earned money by putting into investments. I received low pay here and abroad but comparably higher in the Philippines. So, I am doing my best to save money for the future while helping my family through remittances. In my case, I have chosen stock market. But first, what is stock market? Stock market is a place where shares of publicly listed companies are traded, such as regular activities of buying, selling and issuance of shares. However, investing into stock market is not that easy. You may either earn or lose money because stock prices changes every seconds during trading days. Since I am familiar in investing in Philippine stock market, I decided to invest my extra savings in the PSC or the Philippine Stock Exchange. Philippines' biggest corporations are being traded in the PSC such as Jollibee, SM, BDO, Ayala Corporation and many more. Once you purchase a stock of those companies, you will be one of the part owners of the corporation. I have experience earning profit as well losing a big chunk of my investment. One of my success story in stock market is buying an IPO stock this year. An IPO means initial public offering, as a process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public by issuing new stocks. The company was Merrymart Consumer Corporation, is a retail company in the Philippines engaged in operation of supermarket and household essentials. The company's chairman is Edgar Japsayo II, who is also the founder of Mangina Sal. Since I really admired his success in business, I subscribed 10,000 stocks at 1 peso per share, listed on June 15, 2020. In less than 6 months my 10,000 pesos capital cost investment went up to more than 50,000 pesos market value. As of November 23, 2020, despite the coronavirus impact on the economy, the market prevailing stock of Merrymart managed to price at 5.52 pesos per stock from 1 peso during the IPO listing date. I am very thankful that I have chosen the right stock pick. But, take note, investing in stock is risky. You may earn profit or loss. I suggest you only put your extra money in stock market. You also have to select the right stock at the right price. Buy low, sell high at your own target price. I am not yet a millionaire, still construction in progress. I am sharing this story to somehow inspire you in investing, not just in stock market but as well as in other investment opportunities. Thank you for watching Japan Encounter. See you on my next videos.